Now, for the last few months, since Hellen Muthoni left Rurumuka show on Inooro TV, there has been allegations of the person that will actually take over from Hellen Muthoni. Now, news have it that today, Keziah wa Kariuki, a media personality, and former wife, or let me say ex-wife and baby mama, to Bishop Ben, or call him Mudeki Ngei of Kameme FM. She is the one that is filling the shoes for Hellen Muthoni. News of it. Is she the official and permanent replacement? Because a lot of artists, Kigosho artists, have been filling shoes for Hellen Muthoni at Rurumuka show on Inooro TV. Now, Keziah wa Kariuki is a beloved media personality. She has made a trumpet return to the airways after a brief hiatus. Keziah, who previously captivated audiences with her engaging host skills on Kameme FM, has now graced the screens of Inooro TV as the new co-host of the popular gospel show, Rurumuka. Her reappearance on television has sparked immense excitement among Kenyan viewers, who have eagerly welcomed her back with open arms. Keziah's actors from the small screen left a void in the hearts of many fans, and her return has filled them with joy and anticipation. The departure of Hellen Muthoni, the former co-host of Rurumuka, paved the way for Keziah's grand return. Together with DJ Covenant, another talented host, Keziah will embark on a new chapter in the show's history. The dynamic duo promises to deliver an entertaining and uplifting experience for gospel music enthusiasts. Keziah took to her Facebook page to express her gratitude for the opportunity and to share the news with her adoring fans in a heartfelt post. She stated, "Let's meet at Inooro TV, Rurumuka show. Send me your greetings." DJ Covenant, Keziah's co-host, also expressed his excitement about their collaboration on the show in a Facebook post. He revealed, "Due to public demand, Keziah wa Kariuki will be joining me as the co-host of Rurumuka show. We are ready to bring you the best in gospel music and entertainment every morning." Kenyans have responded enthusiastically to the news of Keziah's return to television. They have flooded social media platforms with messages of support and encouragement, expressing their belief that she will excel in a new role. Many have also expressed their desire to see her and DJ Covenant continue to host the show together for a long time. As Keziah embarks on this new journey, she carries with her the hopes and expectations of countless viewers who believe that she will bring a fresh and vibrant energy to the Rurumuka show. With a charisma and passion for gospel music, Keziah is poised to make a lasting impact on the hearts and minds of Kenyans nationwide. Maneno ni mengi, watching from Kamwangi, Gatundu North, kubarikiwa nayo. Namuona Mary anasema finally congratulations Keziah. Congratulations. Favored James anasema Rumodo ni huyu. Mambo ni mengi, and people giving out congratulatory messages to Keziah wa Kariuki for a new role at Inooro TV. Leave your comment on the comment section. See you on the next one. This is